Yeah, it's pulling over next to the gas station right here at the intersection of Orm and Stanley. Driver, can you roll down all of your windows, please?
Right from the start, this stop feels tense. The officer approaches a driver who's suspiciously circling a gas station intersection. That kind of behavior instantly raises red flags, because frequent loops around high-traffic areas often signal criminal intent or someone preparing for a sudden escape. Notice how quickly the officer requests all windows down. This isn't just formality, it's tactical visibility. Officers want to see every seat and every hand before things escalate. We use this video from the police activity channel and have credited to basic. You can also find the original source link included in the description below.
Roll down your windows. You don't have a front plate on your car. It's a traffic stop. Roll down your windows for me, please. Roll down your windows. I'm not going to ask you. Take a...
9117, just traffic is on one. Traffic stop went out southbound. That's Stanford Street.
Sarge, clear the pit.
We got a one escalator waiting from us. We got pictures.
Hit him. We still southbound coming up the street. Gun!
Alright, back off. He's pulling the gun out the window.
And there it is, the nightmare scenario. The suspect pulls a firearm, instantly transforming a routine traffic stop into a life-threatening standoff. Notice how the officer immediately yells back off. That single command shows tactical discipline. Create distance, establish cover, and preserve lives. Think about the stress here. Seconds earlier, this was about a missing license plate. Now it's survival mode. Viewers, ask yourselves, if you were that officer inches from a drawn gun, how would you keep composure? The sudden shift highlights how fast danger can explode on duty.
Mike! Go, Mike, go!
Okay.
Go. Keep on going.
Just be careful, bro.
Eastbound on Simsburg. Hey, James, be careful. He got the gun. He got the gun out.
Northbound on Buxley.
Northbound on Buxley.
From Simsburg.
From Simsburg.
Hey guys, keep your distance. Be aware of that gun for cover.
Knock 24 monitoring. Get across the chain link. Already cheating. Stop. You're launching. Alright, so rifle. Warning out the window. Be careful.
Shots fired. Get in the car.
Hey, my camera fell off.
It's alright.
My camera fell off.
Shit, bro. It's alright. He pulled.
Chaos is now in full swing. Officers scramble, shouting over each other, cameras even falling off. What looks like disorder is actually instinct colliding with adrenaline. Get in the car is about repositioning and regaining protection. When the sirens are ordered off, that's another layer of control. The noise can mask critical commands or escalate panic. The officers are balancing pursuit with clarity, and the danger is amplified because the suspect is still actively waving a rifle from the vehicle. Situations like this show how thin the line is between organized tactics and raw survival.
Watch. Go. Go.
Cut the sirens. cut the sirens. They cut the sirens.
Cut the sirens!
Driver, get out of the car. Give commands, bro.
He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out.
Driver, get out of the car.
Where's the rifle shit?
Get up. Your hand. Driver, let me see both of your hands. Do it now. Driver, both of your hands. Put them out of the car.
At this point, everything slows down, but not the tension. Officers shift from pursuit to commands, hammering the same phrases again and again. Hands out, do it now. This repetition is deliberate. Under stress, suspects may freeze, stall, or feign confusion. Clear, repeated instructions reduce excuses and establish evidence of compliance or refusal. Notice also the mention of crossfire and unit placement. They're not just dealing with one man in a car, they're managing angles, backstops, and each other's safety. This is a chess game played with lives at stake.
Driver, both of your hands out of the car. Do it now. Channel Southwest. Driver, put your hands out of the car. Do it now. Breathe. Composure. Good. Driver, put both of your hands out of the car and do it now.
Martinez, if you want to tell him over the PA too.
I got one.
Driver! Step out of the vehicle with nothing in your hand!
Both of your hands out of the car. Do it now.
Driver! Step out of the vehicle with nothing in your hand!
Step out of the car with both of your hands. Do it now.
Sir, 13-hour bucks, please.
Vehicle with nothing in your hand!
Fuck.
Step out of your vehicle with nothing in your hand! That's what.
Driver, both of your hands out of the car. Do it now. 9-1-17. Stay away from you. He's still in the car.
17, go ahead.
Driver's still in the passenger car. Driver's in the vehicle. Refusing to get out. If there's units coming, do not have them come down Buxley from Orem because they'll be in crossfire. They need to come up Simsbrook to Buxley. Driver, put both of your hands out of the car. Get out with nothing in your hands. Do it now. That's clear. Units do not come down Buxley from Orem. Step out of the vehicle!
They said they were long.
Driver! Both of your hands out of the car! Do it now!
You good, Mike?
Yeah. Driver! Both of your hands out of the car! Do it now!
Yeah, that's clear. Go on a bulletproof vest and a bulletproof helmet.
Hey, PA works? Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Push out.
Yes, he's currently in a ditch. He's not able to get the vehicle out of the ditch. Driver's door is open.
Go in the back. The back too. You shut it up?
Yeah. Driver, get out of the car!
Minutes tick by and still no surrender. The suspect's car is stuck in a ditch, but that doesn't reduce the threat. In fact, the cornered suspect can be even more unpredictable. Officers here escalate commands and layer in tactical coverage, long coverage, driver side, other side. They're locking down every angle so the driver has no escape path. Think about the patience involved. Instead of rushing in, they hold positions because one reckless move could trigger a shootout. This is where training separates impulse from strategy.
Alright, I got commands.
Take him.
Remember! Step out of the vehicle with nothing in your hands! Climb on the wind escalate! Step out with nothing in your hands!
Holy. Alright, man. You got movement, driver side.
You good, bro?
Driver!
We got long coverage on the other side?
Yes. Yeah, we're good. We're covered all the way around. Yeah.
Who's got it?
All right, his foot's off the brake now.
Who's got the keys in truck?
There.
Is the tire spinning?
Yeah, it looks like he's moving.
Okay.
Hey, tell that unit not to come down here. They're blocking the street.
I already did.
Hey, that marked unit, you're good there. Block that street. Get out of your car and get out of the way.
We're good.
Southwest channel. Hey, Dell. Get back on commands, please. Someone get on commands. Do commands? Do a PA?
That's clear.
Hey, pass it down.
Who's going to breach it out?
No, pass down info.
Hey, stand by. He's going to breach out the back window with the 40.
Now we see escalation on the officer's terms. Breach out the back window with the 40 signals deployment of a less lethal launcher or tactical tool. By breaking the window, officers remove the suspect's concealment, applying controlled pressure. Notice the coordination, cover teams, communication, and overlapping commands. Every move is layered with backup, but imagine the stress. Everyone is running on air, adrenaline draining fast, decisions stacking up. Viewers, do you think officers should push harder here or hold steady until surrender? This is the razor edge between resolution and disaster.
Pull up to me. Come up to me.
We got you covered. We got you covered, though.
You don't lie with me. Yeah.
Yeah, be ready. You might shoot back.
Yeah.
They're close, sir. Everybody's signing on air.
Coming out.
Put your hands up! Hands up!
Put your hands out of the car now. Hands up, all the way up, all the way up. No search before. Hold the air. Face away from us. Face away.
Have him take his vest off.
Take your vest off!
What is he? What is he doing?
He's taking his vest off. Hands back up!
Hands back up! Drop it!
Hands up, all the way up.
Right hand.
Reach back to your collar and lift your shirt.
Pop him in the leg.
Stay in a circle. Turn. Turn. Keep going. Keep going. Keep
All
going.
the way up!
Get your hands up!
Keep turning!
Keep turning.
Hey, those officers over there, get out of the street. Get out of the street.
Walk back with the sound of your voice. Keep walking back. I'll tell you when to stop.
Push right, push right.
Hey, stay on that vehicle. Stay on that vehicle. Put your hands all the way up!
Hands all the way up. All the way up. Your hands.
Push me. Bring him back behind the car.
Hey, I'm on him. Stay on the vehicle.
Yo, push right.
Martinez, you got the vehicle still?
Got commands, boss.
I'll get the vehicle.
All right.
I'm on the car.
Put your
All
hands
right.
all the way up! All the way up! Keep walking backwards!
Well,
Keep going!
he might fight too when he
Keep
gets there.
going!
You want to prone him out?
Keep going!
I mean, he might fight us when he gets over here, so that's all I'm saying.
Just
All right.
let him do it.
Keep going! Keep going!
We got it over here. We got it over here.
Go ahead.
Suspect, stop. Please step to your left. Keep going. Take more steps. Left.
Is he hitting the back?
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah.
To your left.
All right.
Limit to your right.
I lost priority of fire on the suspect.
We should have him right now.
Okay.
Suspect,
on the car?
walking back. Get out of my voice.
Hey, I got him. Guess what? Just stay on the car.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
Walking back. Keep walking back. Keep coming. Keep coming.
I'm switching over to this. You're good. Just comply. We're going to get you medical help here in a second, okay? Push up. Down. Or,
Check if there's anyone else.
hey, come over here. Come over here.
No, sir. Nobody in there. Ain't nobody in there.
You guys, I got a med bag. Who's got a med bag?
Hey, y'all know what y'all need to do?
Med bag, med bag, med
Want me
bag.
to tell the truth? What y'all need to do?
We're going to get you a med bag. Just
What y'all do? Get the murders out the police department. Quit fucking them young hoes in the police department. That's what y'all do.
Hey, we're going to get you medical help. Just
Yeah,
relax.
y'all quit fucking them women in the police department.
Listen.
Y'all, all that's gonna get out. Y'all got murders in your fucking police department, dude.
Sarge,
What the fuck y'all do?
Sarge. We need, give me a scissors. Somebody give me a scissors.
Hey, where's George?
It's gonna be a fucking war. Cause y'all was fucking them hoes in the police department. And y'all got murders in your fucking police department.
His wife is on the south side over there. Just be careful. Okay.
Ain't nobody in there, man. Ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Stop, stop, stop. We gotta get a medical. Turn around. I'm gonna cut your shirt.
Man, you know what? Thank you for being nice and professional. I want your information.
Med bag, med bag. I need a med bag.
I got testy right here.
I want your information, man. At least you is helping.
I got you. I don't know. We don't know. It's a gunshot wound, bro.
The standoff ends with the suspect injured and finally subdued. The tone shifts instantly from confrontation to care. Officers shout for med bags, scissors, gloves, switching roles from defenders to lifesavers in seconds. This duality is striking. The same people being cursed at are now treating wounds. Professionally, we saw clear tactical decisions, commands under fire, careful avoidance of crossfire, measured escalation with less lethal options. Mistakes? Some disorganization, yes, but restraint likely prevented worse bloodshed. And for the bigger picture, this is why traffic stops are never routine. Every stop holds unknown risks. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real body cam breakdowns.
Jackie.
You okay? How do you feel right now? Are you alright? Where's the pain at? Do you feel pain? Yes or no?
You know what, man? I want your information.
You got gloves?
You kill, man.
Yeah, I got gloves.
I need gloves.
You kill, man. I want your information.
Just relax. Just relax.
What you do, kill, man.
I got you. Yeah, I got it.
Hey, real quick.
Y'all
Do a back to me real quick on it.
I'm just gonna make sure you don't got any other wounds on you.
Man, you the only one being all right.
I got you. You just relax.
I respect that, man.
Just relax. Just relax.